This might be the most misunderstood thing at the Forbidden City. Have you noticed there are something strange around the Forbidden City? Why are there so many people dressed in Asian Chinese costume? Are they actors, royal descendants, or something else? What do these costumes represent? Today, I'm going to reveal the truth behind it. Relax, they are just everyday tourists. The goal is to take the perfect picture for their social media. But what exactly are they wearing? It's deeply tied to Beijing's soul. You know the history of Forbidden City. The Forbidden City is the home to the emperors of Ming and Qing dynasties, the last two dynasties of China. So the whole street are filled with concubines, empress, and the princess. My friend just flew in from Shenzhen, and she's about to transform into one of them. She's naturally gorgeous, so I can't wait to see, she wearing the costumes. So I will take you all along this ride. You ready? See this massive building behind me? You wouldn't believe it. But the whole building was a giant factory for time travel. Floor after floor, endless stores, they all doing the same business, traditional styling. So people choose the costumes and to do the makeup, and then transformed into the princess, the empress, and the concubines of Ming and Qing dynasties. And my friend now is in one of these stores to do the makeup. So let's go and see her together. So many princesses. Let's find my friend. Okay, she's over there doing the makeup. If you want to look like a fairy, flowy, soft, and elegant, you go for the Ming Dynasty's costume. See, that's the Ming Dynasty. But if you want to look like a powerful queen, you can choose the Qing Dynasty costume. Just look like this. That's the costume for a princess. And also they have the costume for the concubines. You see the difference? See, this is for the empress or concubines for Qing Dynasty. You see this intricate frog button? Wow, looks very beautiful, right? And when you wear this, looks very powerful. Not suit me, of course. I'm not that powerful. See this one? The big fake hair. Dun 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 dun, finish. 好看。他还要帮我弄一下这个肩带。The styling package covers the costume and the makeup. Usually costs 200 to 600 yuan. And the photographer are extra. Or you can shoot the picture by yourself. Later, I will take my friend to the place around the Forbidden City to take some photos. So stay tuned. Hi! 好看。See, this is the east gate of the Forbidden City, only walking distance from the costume building. So many people are taking photos here. Look, now is a real test. Let's see an ancient princess how to survive in the Beijing's crowd. So many people here. Let's go. You see. Now I'm at the Meridian Gate of the Forbidden City. You know why people are taking photos around the Forbidden City? Because you can wear the costume into the Forbidden City, but commercial photograph is not allowed. The commercial photographer have to take photos around this Forbidden City. But now we are going to a hidden gem. It's just on the left side of the Meridian Gate, the Forbidden City's entrance. Here it is, the ancestral temple. Ancestral temple. They have the same architecture inside the Forbidden City, so it's also a very good spot to take photos. Since we cannot go into the Forbidden City. Okay, I will show you the architecture later. Let's go. This is the place for emperor to worship their ancestors. So they have the same structures of the Forbidden City. See the red wall and the roof. A very good spot to take in photos. And only locals know that. And of course, the commercial photographer know that too. Okay, my friend. These people, they are commercial photographer. Instruct how to take photos, the posture. A very popular corner. Now, my friend is going up. So many photographers and the princess. You know what? I think the social media does help a lot. Yeah, people want to take good photos and post on the social media. That's the main palace. See. This is purple sandalwood, a very precious wood. Not a lot of people in this palace because they come here to taking photos outside. The instrument emperor used during the ceremony. But this one is the replica, not the original one. The original one is in the museum. Guess where am I now? See this lake? So many people here. Now we are in Beihai Park, another a very popular spot for photograph. So yeah, with my friend, and we are going to take some photos here in the Beihai Park.
Hello.
Hi. Okay, let's continue our photographer journey. Can you see the iconic pagoda in the Beihai Park? And I've already filmed a video about Beihai. And now we have boat on the lake. A very beautiful view. A lot of empress and concubines here taking photos. This place is very beautiful. It's a royal garden, so of course it's beautiful, right? See? Well, the pavilion, the palace, and bridge. A very good spot to taking pictures.
不要看我，不要看我。好看我，看我，看我。
Now we are in a traditional Hutong. We want to take a photo about the contrast, about the princess and the old Beijing Hutong.
45度朝上看。
See the old Hutong. Now, see the princess with sunglasses and a cigarette. That's a contrast. Now it's already 4 o'clock. From 10 to 4, 6 hours. I'm already exhausted, let alone my friend. See the hairdress. Yeah, it looks glamorous, but it's heavy, hot, and tearing. 累了吗？
累了。
累了。Okay, now we go back to the building to take off all of this headdress.
我待会马上就喘，好不好？
Now I'm waiting for my friend to take off all of the costume and the makeup, remove the makeup. Turns out taking photo is a full body workout. I'm just, with my camera, my video camera, makes me very tired. And what do you think about the traditional costume? If you ever visit Beijing, would you like actually to do this or just watch others? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next time. Bye bye.